Good day, students! Welcome back to Cool Series at Schools Learning English Online. How are you today? That's good to hear. By the way, today I will be teaching the English grammar for P.6. And today we will be talking about two topics with regards to English grammar. And that would be present progressive, and the second one is the past progressive. Okay, present progressive and past progressive. Do you know that other people call present progressive and past progressive in different way? They call them present continuous and past continuous. But don't be confused because present progressive and present continuous are the same. And also, past progressive and past continuous are also the same. So, let's proceed to our topic for today. Before that, open your book on page 26. Again, open your book on page 26. Okay. Present progressive. What is present progressive? Indicates continuing action or something is going on now. Okay? What does present progressive indicate? Okay. Continuing action, which is happening now. Okay? Continuing action which is happening when? Okay, very good. Up until now. So, we have here time words. And what is these time words? These time words will help us identify if the sentence is in present progressive or past progressive. This will serve as a clue to specify the tense of verbs. Or let's read this. Are words used as clue to specify the tense of verb. Okay? These time words will be helping us later as we go along with our topic. So, for the present progressive, we have these time words. Now, right now, at the moment, and at present. We have now, right now, at the moment, and at present. So, let's proceed. What can you see in the timeline? This is a timeline here. What can you see in the timeline? Okay, this is, what do you call this animal? Is it a rabbit? Okay, it is a baby kangaroo. And what do you call for a baby kangaroo? It's a joey. Okay, so as what you can see here, the joey is running. Okay, it is running. But look at here, there is a now. Now. So meaning the joey is running up until now. So what should be the sentence for this timeline? Or for this event that is happening? Okay, that will be the joey is running now. The joey is running now. Okay, we have the now as the time word for this sentence. Okay, now we have the next example. But before we are going to make sentence out from this moving object, we'll have to learn first the formula or pattern when we are composing or creating our present progressive sentence. We have here subject plus the be verbs. Okay, we'll just choose only one out from these. Subject plus is, am, or are, or plus verb ing, which means that the verb, base form of the verb with ing in the last. Remember that when we talk about progressive, it should bear ing. Of course, plus the time word. Okay, we have here. Okay, we will use right now as the time word. Now, what is this? This is a unicorn. So we will have this as the subject, the unicorn. What be verb are we going to use? Very good. Is. So it will become the unicorn is. What does the unicorn doing? Okay. It is jumping. So the sentence will become the unicorn is jumping. The time word right now. Okay, let's read. The unicorn is jumping right now. Okay, next. What is the minion doing? What is the minion doing? Okay, so this time we are going to use the time word at the moment. Our subject is Stuart, and then our be verb is because it's only one. And of course, what is he doing? Playing guitar. So the sentence will become Stuart is playing guitar at the moment. Meaning, Stuart's playing of guitar is still going on right now. Next, we have another example. What do you think is the subject doing in this picture? Okay, dancing. So we need to use the time word now. Okay, it will become Kevin is dancing now. Kevin is dancing now. Meaning the action is going on and not yet finished. Okay, so we are finished with the present progressive or the present continuous. So now, let's proceed to the past progressive or past continuous. Okay, we have here past progressive. Let's read the definition of past progressive. Indicates continuing action or something was going on in the past. Okay? In the past. Remember this. In the past. In the present progressive, the word that is being written here is the word now. But in the past progressive, in the past. Meaning, the action already happened in the past. It's just that it was continuing action in the past. Okay, let me show you a timeline for that later. Remember, continuing action in the past for the past progressive. Okay, we have here the time words for the past progressive. The same function are words used as clue to specify the tense of verb. But in the past progressive time words, we have different. Of course, because it's already in the past. We may use yesterday, this morning, last week, or this will give us a clue. Simple past action, or it can be any other past time, or etc. We have here the timeline. Look at this timeline and compare. How does it look different to the present progressive? So we have here, okay, same. We have the Joey or the baby kangaroo. Look at this. A while ago, when I showed you a timeline about present progressive, the Joey is moving here in the now. But this time, because we are talking about past progressive, it should start before the now because it's already in the past. Remember that from now, behind it, all the way behind it, it will be considered as past. So, this time, okay, the running of the Joey starts here. But, of course, when it stopped, it must be sometime in the past. Okay? So what would be the sentence for this? It will be, the Joey was running this morning when we saw it. The Joey was running this morning. Okay? We'll have this morning. Here, it can be this morning. And then when we saw it, maybe it's here. It can be here. Or let's just say it's here. So the action happened in the past, but it is a continuing action in the past. Okay, again, we have the time word here. This morning, meaning already done. And the another time word is the simple past. Saw. Okay, let's proceed to another sentences. But I will teach you how to make past progressive sentence by this formula. The same with the present sentence or present progressive sentence. It's just that we are going to change the be verbs. Okay? In the present progressive, here we have is, am, or are. But in the past progressive, we will use was or were. Okay, subject. Let's say these two minions, we call it they. Okay, they. Now, since this is plural, then of course we're going to use were. So it will become they were. What are they doing? Of course, they are fighting. It will become they were fighting. Now, okay, we will use the time word I arrived or the word arrived. So the sentence becomes they were fighting before I arrived. Okay? So it can be they were fighting or here, or it can be here, but arrived happened here. Okay? Now next, we have another example. Okay. Look at this minion. It's only one. So we have, the sentence will be, he was waving when I saw him. He was waving when I saw him. So, the continuing action happened here. The past continuing action happened here. And when I saw him, it happened here. So, meaning, if we can see a simple past action in the sentence bearing progressive tense of verb, we can really say that it's already done in the past or it's in the past progressive form. Okay, next. We have here another example. How many minions are there? Can you count it for me? Okay, there are 1, 2, and 3. So, what do you think are they doing? Okay, the sentence goes like this. The minions, of course, they are 3, so we use minions. And were because they are plural. The be verb is plural and in the past. What are they doing? Thinking. Very good. Thinking before they sang. Before they sang. The sang here is the simple past form of the word, of the verb. Very good. Sing. So, that is the example of past progressive sentence. We are done discussing the two topics for today, present progressive and past progressive. Now let's try to answer some exercises. First, Jack blank talk. Okay, we have here the verb when the teacher entered in the classroom. Okay, we have here the clue, the time word, entered. So, what should be the answer? Very good. Was talking. Okay, Jack was talking when the teacher entered in the classroom. Okay, next. I blank. The verb is think. I blank think about you right now. Again, what should be the be verb if the subject is I? Very good. Am. I am plus progressive form. Thinking about you right now. Our answer is correct. How about the next sentence? Jessica and James blank study online now. Jessica and James blank study online now. So, we have here, remember the time word now. When we talk about now, it is in the very good present. So, how about here, Jessica and James? Are they singular or plural? Very good, plural. So, plural plus verb ing are studying. Next, the fourth sentence. My friends blank yesterday before it rained. What should be the answer? Okay, the answer is we're playing because the subject is plural and the verb happened already in the past. We have yesterday, the time word here, and of course the simple past, rained. Okay, good job. Next, Marco blank read right now. Okay, another time word, very easy, right now. Okay, very good. Marco is reading right now. Next. Okay, so clap your hands. Good job. You answered it all correctly. But before we will end our class, let's have a recap. When we talk about present progressive, the formula is subject plus is, am, or are plus verb ing. Do not forget verb ing if progressive plus time words. Okay? When we talk about present progressive, what does it mean? Indicates continuing action or something is going on. When? Now or in the past? Now. Okay? So, continuing action that is taking place right now. Time words for present progressive. We have the now, right now, at the moment, at present, or furthermore, or etc. Next, okay, look at this timeline. Of course, the Joey is running now because as you can see, the Joey is here beside the now. Meaning, the action is still going on at the moment. Next, when we talk about past progressive, we have the formula subject plus was or were plus, of course, do not forget verb ing plus time word. Okay? Was and were if it's in the past progressive. When we talk about past progressive, what does it mean? Indicates continuing action or something was going on when. Okay, this time in the past, not now. Okay? Now I will ask you, if I say now, what is that? Present progressive or past progressive? Okay, present. How about yesterday? Very good. Past progressive. Okay? So we have here the timeline. When we talk about past progressive, of course, the Joey should be running sometime in the past. Or the sentence should be, the Joey was running this morning when we saw it. And the time words we used in this sentence is this morning, and the other one is saw. Simple past form. Of course, the word saw happened also sometime in the past. And it should not be here because the sentence will become ruined. It's not following anymore the rule of grammar. So it should be here. So now, we have the time words for present progressive. Now, right now, at the moment, at present. And for the past progressive, we have the yesterday, this morning, last week, or any simple past action as long as it's in the past. Okay, so we are done for our lesson for today. Are you happy? Me too. I hope you learned a lot from our topic present progressive and past progressive. See you on my online class. Goodbye!